Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making Asun fried rice. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this amazing family. So, guys, without wasting further time, let's get started. Here are my ingredients for this Azu fried rice. So I have my cooked goat meat here. So you can grill your goat meat, you can cook your goat meat, okay? And in here I have my scotch bonnet pepper, my tatashe, my garlic, my bawa, and my onions. And here is my carrot, my red and green bell pepper. So now we are going to start to cook our rice because already I've cooked my goat meat. So I'll just start now to cook the rice. I'm going to be heating up my vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. I'm just going to heat up this oil now. And once this oil is hot, I'll go in with my onions. You can blend your onions if you don't like onions in your food, okay? You can just blend it if you don't like seeing it. And then I'll be adding in my curry powder and my thyme. I'm going to stir this and I'll allow this to fry for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I'll be adding in my stockfish flakes. Okay, I know I did introduce this. This is optional. If you don't want, you can just leave it. Okay, but then it adds flavor to this rice. Okay, if you can just add it, but if you cannot, just keep it. But add it, alright. Then I'll add in my pepper, that's my scotch bonnet pepper, and my garlic. I'm going to stir this now, allow it to fry for some minutes, okay? So now that the pepper is fried, I'll be adding in my washed rice. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch and support my videos, okay? So guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. Of course, you are enjoying the video. For you to still be watching up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, okay? It helps YouTube to recommend my videos, and also leave your comments for me in the comment section. I love to read your feedbacks, and also help me to share my video, help me to share it to your friends, share it to your people. All right, help me to share it. And also, if you want to go further to appreciate me the more, you can always use the thanks button, okay? So this is just me. I added in salt and then seasoning cube to this. I'm going to be frying this rice for about 5 to 8 minutes, okay. And the essence of frying this rice is to enhance the taste of the rice, and also it's going to make your rice not to be soggy, and also it also make your rice not to go bad easily. So yeah, it's that's the benefit of frying your rice before cooking it. Now that the rice is fried, okay, I fried it for 8 minutes. So now that the rice is fried, I'll be going in with my meat stock, and then I'll add a more water to cook the rice, okay. So I'm just going to stay at this point. You should test for salt and adjust if there is any need for you to adjust, okay. And then I'm going to cover this pot, and I will allow this rice to cook on low heat, okay, because I'm not going to be adding in any other water to this rice. This rice is going to cook with the water I added. So guys, our rice is cooked now. You see how beautiful and yummy this rice is already looking like. You can eat it like this, you can choose to enjoy it like this. It came out very delicious just like this. But no, this is not our end result, okay. We are making Asu fried rice. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Please like and subscribe, okay. Also leave your comments for me. So now I'm going to be heating up my oil in a pan, in a dried pan. And then I'll be adding in my cooked goat meat, because I'm going to fry this goat meat. So I'm just going to fry this goat meat until they are very well fried on both sides. So guys, our goat meat is fried now. I'm just going to take it out from the oil. And then I'll be adding in my pepper mix. This is my pepper, onions and garlic. And here is my tatashi and my bawa. So I'm just going to be frying this now. So guys, I'll be adding in my seasoning cube now. And then I will add in curry powder and thyme. I'm going to stir this, and I will allow this to fry for some more. So now that the pepper is fried, I'll be adding in my fried goat meat. And then I'm going to mix everything together to properly combine the goat meat and the sauce very well, and I'll allow it to fry for some more. Then I'll be adding in my chopped onions. I'll also be adding in carrots now. I'm going to mix this properly, and then I'll allow it to fry for few minutes, okay, just 2 minutes. And then I'll add in my bell pepper. I'm going to combine this properly now, allow to fry for just a minute, okay, because I still want my veggies to be crunchy as at when I want to eat this rice. So guys, I didn't show the end result of the Asun sauce, but as you can see, it's looking so yummy and delicious. So I'm just going to add it back to our cooked rice now. And then I'm going to stir this very well, okay, to mix the sauce and the rice very well, to combine it, okay. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you done all that beautiful stuff to this video? Don't forget to leave your comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to hit the like button, okay. And guys, here we have it. Our delicious and yummy Asu fried rice is ready. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come here when it's time, please stay safe. Bye.